Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will start by enabling both Wi-Fi and mobile data so each interface can carry traffic. Open Settings, turn on Wi-Fi and connect to your router, then enable mobile data. If you plan to combine phones and laptops, turn on Bluetooth or USB tethering now so devices can share links. Install or confirm a Connection Manager app or built-in multipath feature. This lets the system route flows across both links. Once done, you're ready to split traffic intelligently between interfaces. Now configure how traffic flows so you get the benefit of both links. On Windows/macOS/Linux, set interface metrics or priorities. Lower metric means preferred route, so latency-sensitive apps use the faster link. Use a connection manager or per app binding to force streaming, VPN, or downloads to a specific interface. If your device or router supports multipath TCP or link aggregation, enable it to combine capacity. Make sure to test transfers and adjust metrics until throughput and stability match expectations. Finish by testing and locking in the configuration. Run speed tests and simulate a Wi-Fi drop to confirm failover to mobile data is seamless. Monitor for packet loss and latency spikes. Save profiles and enable auto reconnect so the device restores the combined setup after reboot. If problems occur, reset the interfaces, verify your mobile plan allows tethering or simultaneous use, and recheck app bindings or routing metrics. One key tip: if traffic doesn't split, restart the Connection Manager and reapply interface metrics to force re-evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.